Relays on a furnace control board act as electrically operated switches that control power delivery to high voltage components like blowers, draft inducer motors, and combustion systems. A relay receives a low voltage signal from the thermostat or control circuit and closes or opens a high voltage circuit to energize a motor or valve. The relay coil is isolated from the switched contacts, so the control board can use safe, low voltage logic to operate line voltage components. When diagnosing, listen for a distinct click, which indicates the coil is energizing and the contacts are moving. Absence of that click suggests coil failure or missing control voltage. Measure coil voltage with a multimeter across the relay coil terminals while the furnace is calling for the component to verify control signal presence. If the coil is energized but the control device does not run, check continuity across the contacts with the coil energized to determine if contacts are welded or open. Replace the relay with an identical rating for coil voltage and contact current capacity, and follow capacitor discharge and lockout procedures to avoid shock when working on line circuits. Common problems include a relay coil that does not energize because of lost control voltage, which you fix by tracing and repairing the low voltage wiring or replacing a faulty control board output. Another frequent issue is welded contacts that keep a motor running even after the call ends, and the correct action is to replace the relay because filed contacts are unreliable and unsafe. Third, undersized or incorrect replacement relays can overheat or fail prematurely. So always match coil voltage, contact configuration, and current rating when sourcing a replacement, and verify correct wiring before reapplying power. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can inspect and replace furnace relays and other electrical components. And we also help contractors find work by listing jobs and responding to homeowner posts. We host a discussion community where members share troubleshooting tips, product recommendations, and step-by-step experiences related to heating system repairs.